Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here, Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous car, restored 1965 Corvette Roadster big block. Lots of options too. Got the owner here, is gonna tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today, Tony?
How you doing today?
Good. What a pretty car, man. So you owned this one a while, huh?
I've had it quite a while.
Cool.
Well, the options in this car are it can power steering, tilt column, power windows,
Telecolumn. Side pipes.
side exhaust, two tops, knockoff wheels,
Leather.
leather interior,
Power antenna.
wood
wheel.
and the wind wheel. It's a 4¼ horse.
Yeah.
Not the original motor, but you know, it's a brand new motor. Not hardly any miles on it.
That's the one you have out of the car, right?
The one I have out of the car has no miles on it.
Oh wow, cool.
What's in the car now is a 427.
Cool.
When out of the car is a 396 4¼ that matches this car.
Wow. So what's a 390 horse in it now, or 4¼
This is 4¼ This is 4¼ horse too.
Wow. Sounds insane too, guys.
I like that 400 horsepower plus.
I think they were a little underrated back then too.
Huh?
I think they were a little underrated back then.
Well, I make sure that's 400 plus.
Butternut yellow, beautiful paint, great lines, fitment panels, no hit body. He's got the bolt-ons on it with like brand new tires, beautiful chrome and stainless, and lots of options. Tony's owned this car for a little over 20 years, and it is pretty. Brand new top. It's got a matching hard top as well. Her shifter, power windows, telescoping wheel. It's also wood, power antenna. It's got a custom stereo in the glove box. Sounds really good. Lifetime satellite. Fire this bad boy up for you. Sounds really good. Woo! Woohoo! Doesn't get any better than that. The power antennas, they work fantastic. Man, that sounds good, Tony.
Everybody's eyes, I tell you. They're all going up in this car.
Right? Got a Be Cool radiator up front. It's an aluminum radiator with an electric fan, so it runs nice and cool. Optima gel battery with a tender on it. Roller rockers, chrome valve covers, Moroso wires, electronic ignition, right, Tony? Yep. Looks like a blaster coil. Power brakes. Got disc brakes up front. The soft top on the car is brand new. Brand new top. Beautiful, beautiful car. Got a Hurst shifter in it. Power antenna works. 661-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebeautos.com. And hope to hear from you soon. Thanks a lot.